the moments of your life.
Letting go of control and abandoning rigidness.
Have no expectations.
And enjoy each moment for what it is.
Surrender to feeling in the moment. The first thing you need to do is give yourself permission to let go.
Once you do this, all possibilities open up.
When letting go of our hold of ourselves, it gives us the freedom and energy to embrace all that is new and meaningful.
When you take a walk next time, consciously feel each step on the ground.
Smell the air, feel the wind, and savor the moment. Look at the tree and its amazing power will fill you with energy to sustain your day, filling you with strength and vision. When you smell a flower, really take in its scent.
Realize just how simple and complex it is.